Hello my dear students. In today's class, we will start our new exercise, exercise 14B. In this, our question number 1 is fill in. Let's do A part. Now in this A part, you have to change 6 hours into minutes. So first, what is the relation between hours and minute? 1 hour has 60 minutes. If 1 hour has 60 minutes, now we have to change 6 hours has how many minutes? So what you will do? You will multiply 6 by 60 and then you will get your answer. Okay? अगर A 1 hour में 60 minutes है तो 6 hours में कितने minutes होंगे? We will multiply the number and then we get 360 minutes are there in 6 hours. Okay? Let's do B part. In B part, we have to change 5 days into hours. 5 days into hours. So first, let's see here. 1 day has 24 hours. Now we have to find in 5 days. How many hours are there in 5 days? So we will multiply again. If we will multiply 5 by 24 and then we get 120. Okay? If the unit is, जो भी आपको unit, if there is a smaller unit and you have to change this into a bigger one or larger one, then you have to multiply the number. Okay? When you have to change the bigger unit into a smaller unit, then you have to multiply the number. Okay? And when you have to change a smaller unit into a bigger unit, then you have to divide the number. Okay? Let's do C part. Now we have to change 7 weeks has how many days? 1 week has 7 days. So in 7 weeks, there are 7 multiplied by 7. There are 49 days. Okay? In 7 weeks, there are 49 days. Let's do D part. Now you have to change 90 days into month. Days is the smaller unit than month. So in this question, what you will do? You will divide the number. First, let's see the relation between the month and the days. 1 month has 30 days. Now, from which number you will divide the 90? You will divide 90 by 30 because in a 1 month there are 30 days. 1 month has 30 days or 30 days is equal to 1 month. So now we have to find out in 90 days, this is equal to how many months? This is equal to 3 months. Okay? अब यहाँ पर हमें days को month में convert करना था. Days क्या है? आपकी smaller unit है और month बड़ी unit है. तो जब भी आप smaller unit को बड़ी unit में convert करोगे, always divide the number. और आपको डिवाइड किससे करना है? जो भी उनके बीच में जो रिलेशन है उस नंबर से आपको डिवाइड करना है. ओके? लेट्स डू ई पार्ट. इन ई पार्ट देयर इज 12 मिनट एंड यू हैव टू चेंज दिस मिनट इनटू सेकंड. मिनट इज द ग्रेटर यूनिट देन सेकंड. सो नाउ वी विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस नंबर बाय 60 एंड देन वी गेट 720. Answer is 720 seconds. Okay? Let's do F part. Now you have to change seconds into minute. Second is the smaller unit and minute is greater than the smaller second. Now what you will do? You will again divide it. By which number? किस number से divide करोगे? What is the relation between minute and second? 1 minute is equal to 60 second. तो आप किससे divide करोगे? 60 से. Okay, you will divide the number by 60 and then you will get 2 minutes. आंसर इज 2 मिनट. जब भी आपको छोटे यूनिट से बड़ी यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करना होता है, ठीक है, तब आप क्या करोगे? यू विल डिवाइड द नंबर. और जब भी बड़ी यूनिट गिवन है और उसको आपको छोटी यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करना है, देन यू विल मल्टीप्लाई द नंबर. ओके? जो भी उनके बीच में रिलेशन है गिवन, उसी नंबर से आपको मल्टीप्लाई या डिवाइड करना है अकॉर्डिंगली. ओके? लेट्स डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. In question number 2, we have to change to minutes. Now these are the given values to us which we have to change into minutes. So first let's see what is the relation between hours and minute. in A part we have to change 8 hours into minutes. So first is let's see what is the relation between hours and minute. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now we have to change 8 hours. So what we will do? We will multiply the number by 60. Now we get 480 minutes. Okay. Hour is the greater unit and minute is the smaller unit. So when we have to change the greater unit into smaller unit, we will multiply the number. Okay. Let's do C part. In C part, what we have to change? 15 hour 15 minutes. We have to change this into minutes. It is already in minutes. Okay. ये तो ऑलरेडी आपको मिनट्स में गिवन है, इसको हमें कुछ चेंज नहीं करना. किसे चेंज करना है हमें? We have to change only 15 hours. So how we will change 15 hours? We will multiply hours or 15 by 60. Then we get 900 minutes. और जो आपको गिवन है ऑलरेडी 15 मिनट्स, वो आप इसी में ऐड कर दोगे and then you get 915 minute is the answer. Okay, this is your answer. 915 minutes is your answer. Now जो भी आपको मिनट गिवन है उसे आपको कुछ चेंज नहीं करना, वो तो ऑलरेडी गिवन है मिनट्स में. आपको किसको चेंज करना है? जो अब हमें आवर्स में गिवन है. तो आवर्स जो है वो है 15 आवर्स. 15 आवर्स को जब आप चेंज करोगे यू विल मल्टीप्लाई द नंबर बाय 60 एंड देन यू विल गेट 900. ओके, आफ्टर दैट जब आपका ये आ गया 515 आवर्स को आपने चेंज कर दिया मिनट में, कितना आया? 900 मिनट्स. देन उसके बाद क्या करोगे? जो ये मिनट गिवन थे, जो भी मिनट गिवन है उसे हम इसी में ऐड कर देंगे एंड देन वी गेट अवर आंसर, दैट इज 915 मिनट्स. नाउ वी हैव टू चेंज in D part we have to change 2 days. In D part we have to change 2 days into minutes. हमें 2 days को minutes में convert करना है. How many minutes are there in 2 days? So what we will do? First we will first convert these days into hours. Okay, we know that one day has 24 days, so 2 days has, this is equal to 48 hours. One day has 24 days, or one day has 24 hours, and when we have to change 2 days, we will change first days into hours. Okay, so we will multiply 2 by 24 and then we get 48 hours. ये हमने hours में change कर दिया. अब hours को आप convert करोगे minutes में. Now we will multiply these 48 hours by 60 and then we get 2880 minutes. First we will change these days into hours. सबसे हम पहले हम जो ये days हैं इसको hours में convert करेंगे. We know that in a one day has 24 hours are there. Now we will change these days into hours and then we get 48 hours there. 48 hours are there in 2 days. 2 days में 48 hours होते हैं. हमने hours में convert कर लिया. अब हमें एक बार चेंज किस में करना है? मिनट्स में. हमें क्वेश्चन में गिवन है कि हमें जो चेंज करना है वो मिनट्स में चेंज करना है. सो अब हम ये आवर्स को किस में चेंज करेंगे? मिनट में, बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस नंबर बाय 60 एंड देन वी गेट द आंसर. ओके, लेट्स डू सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. चेंज कन्वर्ट टू सेकेंड्स. नाउ वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट दिस नंबर इनटू सेकेंड्स. First A part is we have to convert or change 4 minutes. 4 minutes को हमें change करना है second में. Minute is the bigger unit and the second is the smaller one. Okay, so again what we have to do? What is the relation between minute and second? 1 minute has 60 seconds. So we will multiply 4 by 60 and then we get 240 seconds. Okay, let's do C part. In C part is what we have given? 17 minutes 23 seconds. Okay, now we have to change this number into second. It is already in seconds. Now what we have to change? We have to convert these minute into second. Now we will multiply 17 by 60. 17 by 60 and then we get this seconds. These are the seconds. Okay. और हमें ऑलरेडी पहले कितने गिवन है? हमने 17 मिनट्स को तो चेंज कर दिया, ये आ गए हमारे 1020 सेकेंड. अब ये जो पहले से ही गिवन है सेकेंड में उन्हें हम ऐड कर देंगे. दिस इज 23 सेकेंड. नाउ ऐड दीज टू नंबर. नाउ वी गेट 1043 seconds. This is equal to 1043 seconds. Let's do D part. In D part, we have to change 3 hours. हमें 3 hours को कन्वर्ट करना है सेकेंड में. तो hours से पहले हम किस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे? मिनट में. उसके बाद मिनट्स में आ जाएगा, फिर मिनट्स से हम सेकेंड्स में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. So to change this hour, what we will do? We will multiply the number by 60. हम पहले 60 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, देन वी गेट 180. ये हमने मिनट्स में चेंज किया है. ये आपका जो आंसर आया, दिस इज ये आपने आवर्स को मिनट में कन्वर्ट किया है. अब आप क्या करोगे? 180 मिनट को, अब मिनट्स को हमें सेकेंड्स में कन्वर्ट करना है. देन अगेन वी विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस नंबर बाय 60. तो हम इसको 60 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. ओके, देन वी गेट दिस seconds. Answer is 10,800 सेकेंड. ओके, हमने डी पार्ट में क्या किया? हमें आवर्स को 3 आवर्स गिवन है जो हमें चेंज करने हैं सेकेंड्स में. तो हम पहले आवर्स को मिनट में कन्वर्ट करेंगे बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग द नंबर बाय 60 एंड देन जो हमारा आंसर आ गया वो मिनट में आ गया. अब मिनट को हमें फिर किस में कन्वर्ट करना है? जो क्वेश्चन में हमें सेकेंड्स में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए कहा गया है, तो हम मिनट को सेकेंड्स में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. अगेन वी विल मल्टीप्लाई द नंबर, जो भी हमारा मिनट में आंसर आया उसको हम 60 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे एंड देन वी गेट अवर आंसर, दैट इज इन सेकेंड्स. जो भी आपका आंसर आएगा वो सेकेंड्स होंगे. दैट इज 10,800 सेकेंड. लेट्स डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 वी हैव टू चेंज टू आवर्स. हमें जो गिवन है क्वेश्चन उन्हें चेंज करना है आवर्स में. ओके, फर्स्ट ए पार्ट इज वी हैव टू चेंज 9 days into hours and we know that what is the relation between days and hours? One day has 24 hours. Now we have to find in 9 days there are how many hours are there in 9 days? So we will multiply 9 by 24 and then we get our answer and we get 216 hours. Okay, we get 216 hours. Let's do C part. In C part, what we have to change? We have to change 6 days 12 hours. These are already in hours. So हम इसके साथ कुछ नहीं करेंगे, हमें इसे as it is रखना है. हमें किसे चेंज करना है? We will change these 6 days into hours. हम 6 days को hours में कन्वर्ट करेंगे पहले. So we will multiply 6 by 24 and then we get 144 hours. And after that what we will do? We will add these hours here. Now we get 156 hours. Okay. Next is, let's do D part. In D part we have to convert this 1 month. 1 month को हमें hours में convert करना है. अब पहले 1 month को पहले हम किस में change करेंगे? Days में. ठीक है. 1 month has how many days? 1 month has 30 days. अब 30 डेज को अब आपको किस में चेंज करना है? आवर्स में. नाउ यू विल मल्टीप्लाई 30 बाय 24 एंड देन यू विल गेट 720 आवर्स. ओके, सो आंसर इज 720 आवर्स. यहाँ पर 1 मंथ गिवन है. 1 मंथ में कितने पहले हमने उसे डेज में कन्वर्ट किया. 1 मंथ हैज 30 डेज. अब आपको 30 डेज को कन्वर्ट करना है आवर्स में. 1 डे हैज 24 आवर्स, सो 30 डेज हैज 720 hours. Okay, let's do question number 5. In question number 5 you have to convert to days. अब आपको days में convert करना है. Okay, Now you have to convert into days. Let's do A part. A part is you have to change or convert 8 weeks. You have to convert 8 weeks into days. 1 week has how many days? 1 week has 7 days. So how many days are there in 8 weeks? We will multiply the number by 7 and we get 56 days are there in 8 weeks. Okay, let's do C part. Now we have to change 3 weeks 4 days. Now we have to change 3 weeks 4 days. अब हमें किसको चेंज करना है? ये तो ऑलरेडी डेज में गिवन है. Now we have to change these 3 weeks. और how many days are there in 3 weeks? 1 week has 7 days. So 3 weeks has 7 is 21 days. 21 days and add these 4 days also. Now add the number and then you get 25 days. Answer is 25 days. Next is, let's do D part. In D part you have to change 4 months 2 weeks. 4 months 2 weeks. Now first we will convert these 4 months into days. First, how many days are there in a 1 month? In 1 month there are 30 days. So in 4 months there are 120 days. Okay. And next what we have to convert? We have to convert these 2 weeks. 1 week has 7 days and these 2 weeks has 7 to the 14 days. Now add these number and then we get 134 days are there in 4 months 2 weeks. 134 days are there in 4 months and 2 weeks. यहाँ पर हमें क्या इन डी पार्ट में हमें क्या चेंज करना था? 4 months and 2 weeks को चेंज करना था डेज में. So what is the relation between month and days? 1 month has 30 days. Now we will find in 4 months there are how many days? 4 multiplied by 30 and then we get 120 days. 4 months में हमने फाइंड कर लिया कि कितने डेज होते हैं? 120 डेज होते हैं. Now next we have to find in 2 weeks. Now 1 week, we know that 1 week has 7 days. So how many days are there in 2 weeks? There are 14 days. Okay. Now add both the number or both. Then you will get 134 days are there in 4 months 2 weeks. Let's start question number 6. Question number 6 is convert to hours and minutes. A part is we have to convert 125 minutes to hours and minutes. Now in this part, in this question we have to convert this minute into hours. So minute is the smaller unit and hour is the bigger unit. Okay, minute और hour में कौन सा बड़ा है? hours is the greater one and minute is the smaller one. So जब भी हमें smaller unit से bigger और greater unit में convert करना होता है, what we have to do? We will divide the number. Okay, so in this question we will divide the number. So what's the relation between minute and hour or hour and minute? 60 minute is equal to 1 hour. So by which number we will divide? We will divide this 125 by 60. Okay, now divide 125 by 60. 60 twos are 120 and then we get 5. So now we get these are hours and this 5 is a minute. Okay, so answer is 2 hours. जो भी क्वोशिएंट आता है वो आपकी बिगर यूनिट है. ओके, जो भी डिवाइड करके जो क्वोशिएंट आएगा वो आपका बिगर यूनिट होगा और जो रिमाइंडर रहेगा वो आपका स्मॉलर यूनिट होगी. नाउ आंसर इज 2 hour 5 minute. 2 hour and 5 minutes. Let's do C part. Again we have to change this number into hours and minute. Again what we have to do, we will divide this number by 60. Okay. Now divide this number by 60. 67 is 420. Now subtract the number and we get 1. After subtraction, what we will do? We will bring the next digit down. Now it becomes 60. Can we divide 16 by 16? No. So we will write 0 in the quotient. So what's the answer is? Answer is 70. Now this quotient is hours. That means 70 hours, and this remainder is your minute. Okay. So answer is 70 hours 16 minutes. 70 hours 16 minutes. Okay. In D part also you have to given 600 minutes. Again we have to change this minute into hours. So we will divide this 600 by 60 and then we get 1010 hours. यहाँ तो इजीली आपका 600 को आप इजीली डिवाइड कर सकते हो. 60 ones are 60 and then you get 00 as a remainder. Okay, so we will write here in the quotient, we will write 10 and now this is equal to 10 hour. यहाँ पे कुछ भी रिमाइंडर नहीं बचा. That means 00 minute. Okay, और आपको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. जब 00 आता है तो आपको कोई जरूरत नहीं है मिनट्स में लिखने की. Your answer is only 10 hours. Okay. Let's do question number 7. Question number 7 is convert to minutes and seconds. Now we have to change or convert these seconds into minute and second. Now let's see. Second is the smaller unit and minute is the larger unit. So again what we have to do, जब भी आपको स्मॉलर यूनिट गिवन है और आपको उसे कन्वर्ट करना है लार्जर यूनिट में, सो यू हैव टू डिवाइड द नंबर. व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन सेकंड एंड मिनट? 1 minute has how many seconds? 1 minute has 60 seconds. So by which number we will divide? We will divide the number by 60. Okay, 1 minute has 60 seconds. So we will divide the given number by 60. Now divide the number. We will divide 60. We will divide 78 by 60. We get 60 ones are 60, and then we get this. So what is this? This is equal to 1 hour. Sorry, 1 minute. Now this is the quotient is the bigger one or bigger unit, and this is your smaller unit. Okay, the remainder is your smaller unit. So answer is 1 minute 18 second. Okay, 1 minute 18 second. S is the short form of seconds. Okay, शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ जैसे आपकी मिनट की MIN, यहाँ पे MIN शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ मिनट इज MIN, शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ सेकेंड इज S and short form of R is H. Okay, let's do C part. In C part we have to change 360 seconds into minute and second. Now again, what is the relation between 1 minute and second? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So we will divide this number by 60 and then we get 6 minutes. Okay, we get 6 minutes because it is completely divided. 66 are 360 and there is nothing in the remainder. Okay, so answer is only 6 minutes. Next, let's do D part. Now we have to change 7206 second into minute and second. जब भी हमारे पास स्मॉलर यूनिट को हमें कन्वर्ट करते हैं बिगर यूनिट में, we have to divide the number. Okay, now again we have to divide this number by 60. Now divide this number by 60. 7206 by 60. 61 is 60. 62 is 61 is 60. Now subtract it, and after subtraction what you will do? you will bring the 0 down. Now it becomes 120. So 62s are 120. Now subtract it again and you will get 0. Now bring the next digit down. This is 6, but we can't divide 6 by 60. So we will write 0 in the quotient. So now this is equal to 120 is your minute. ये आपके मिनट आएंगे और जो रिमाइंडर यहाँ 6 रिमाइंडर है, that means this is equal to your seconds. Okay, so answer is 120 minutes 6 seconds. Answer is your the answer of D part is 120 minutes 6 seconds. Okay, let's do question number 7. Question number 7 is convert to days and hours. Now we have to convert these given numbers into days and hours. हमें ये hours में given है. Hour is the smaller unit and days is the bigger one. Now we will divide the number by which number we will divide? What is the relation between days and hours? One day has how many hours? One day has 24 hours. So we will divide the given number by 24. Okay. So divide this number by 24. 24 ones are 24 and you will get this one. This one is your day. ये जो क्वेश्चन में होता है ये हमेशा आपका बड़ा यूनिट, जो भी इसमें बड़ी यूनिट है वो हमेशा वही लिखी जाती है क्वेश्चन में, और जो ये रिमाइंडर आपका बचेगा दिस इज इक्वल टू योर आवर्स. सो आंसर इज 1 day 12 hours. Answer is 1 day 12 hours. Okay. आप 12 hours को only H भी लिख सकते हो. This is your short form of hour. Next is we have to change 186 hours to days. Again we will divide this number 186 by 24. Then we get 24 sevens of, yes, we get 168. 168. Now subtract the number and then we get 18 as a remainder and 7 is your quotient. So 7 is your quotient, that means 7 days, and 18 is the remainder, that means it is equal to hours. So the answer is 7 days 18 hours. Okay, answer is 7 days 18 hours. Let's do D part. Again we have to change these hours into days and hours. Again we will divide this number by 24. Now divide 482 by 24. 24 twos are 48. We get 0 0 and after subtraction we will bring the next digit down, that is your remainder, and this is your day. So the answer is 2 days 2 hour. Answer is 2 days. Oh wait a minute. Answer is we will get 0 here. Okay. So the answer is, because we can't divide 2 by 24, that's why we will write 0 in the quotient. So the answer is 20 days 2 hours. Okay. So the answer is 20 days 2 hours. जो भी आपका क्वेश्चन आएगा वो हमेशा बड़ी वाली यूनिट होगी, दैट इज डे, और जो आपका रिमाइंडर होगा वो आपकी स्मॉलर यूनिट होगी. ओके, नाउ लेट्स डू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, टेस्ट फॉर लीप ईयर. In this question, when we have to check this is a leap year or not, we will divide the given number by 4. Okay, so if we divide this number by 4, if it is completely divided or there is no remainder, that means it is a leap year. Okay, 4 5s are 20. Now subtract the number. After subtraction we will bring the next digit down. Now we will write here 0 in the quotient. After that we will bring the next digit down. Now we will divide this by 2. Now we will get 0 as a remainder. That means it is completely divided. So yes, it is a leap year. Okay, let's do C part. Now we have to change 2020 is a leap year or not. So we will divide this given number by 4. आपको ये चेक करना है अगर कि ये लीप ईयर है या नहीं, तो आपको उसे 4 से डिवाइड करके देखना है. अगर वो कम्प्लीटली डिवाइडेड हो जाता है 4 से और कोई भी रिमाइंडर नहीं बचता, दैट मीन्स इट इज अ लीप ईयर. अदरवाइज इट इज नॉट अ लीप ईयर. 4 5s are 20. Now subtract the number. After subtraction, what we will do? We will write the next digit down. But we can't divide 2 by 4. Now we will write 0 in the quotient. After that, we will bring the next digit down. Now it becomes 20. 4 5s are 20 here. Okay, we will get 0 as a remainder. That means it is a leap year. Next we have to change or check 2100 by 4. We will divide this number by 4. 2100. 4 5s are 20. Subtract the number and we get 1. After subtraction, we will bring the next digit down. Now it becomes 10. 4 2s are 8. Now subtract the number 2 and we will bring the next digit down. Now we get 0 here. And yes, this is also a leap year. We will divide this number by 4. 4 5s are 20. We get 1 after subtraction, and after subtraction we will bring the next digit down. Now it becomes 10. 4 2s are 8. Now subtract the number and then we get 2. After subtraction, again we will bring the next digit down. Now it becomes 20. So 4 5s are 20. Now we get 0 as a remainder. That means it is also a leap year. If we have to check, let's do B part. Now if we have to check this is a leap year or not, again we will divide this number by 4. So 5 4s are 20. Now subtract the number and we get 0 as a remainder. After that we will bring the next digit down 1. But we can't divide 1 by 4. Now we will write 0 in the quotient, and after that we will bring the next digit down. Now it becomes 15. 4 3s are 12. Now subtract the number and then we get 3 as a remainder. Now it is not a completely divided. That means it is a common year. अब ये completely divide नहीं हुआ, कुछ ना कुछ remainder आपका यहाँ बचा है. जब भी कुछ remainder आपका 0 नहीं आता, that means it is not a leap year. It is a common year. Okay. I hope you have understood all these questions. Thank you.